Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how to fix disappearing messages on Instagram, previously known as Vanish mode, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix this feature. So let's get started. Step 1. Understand the update. Vanish mode is now disappearing messages. Instagram has rebranded Vanish mode as disappearing messages. If you're confused why you can't find Vanish mode anymore, that's why. Now, you'll find this feature labeled as disappearing messages inside your Instagram chats. Step 2. Update your Instagram app. First, make sure your app is fully updated. Go to the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android, search for Instagram, and tap Update if it's available. Most feature bugs, including issues with disappearing messages, are fixed in the latest versions. Step 3. Check feature availability in your region. Instagram rolls out new features gradually. Disappearing messages, Vanish mode, may not be available in every country yet. Do a quick online search to confirm if the feature is supported in your region. Step 4. How to activate disappearing messages on Instagram. Open the chat where you want to use disappearing messages. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen until the screen goes dark or you see a prompt for disappearing mode. If it doesn't activate, continue with the next steps. Step 5. Clear Instagram cache for Android users. Clearing the cache can help if the feature isn't working properly. Go to your phone's settings. Tap Apps, Instagram. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This refreshes temporary app data and often resolves minor glitches. Step 6. Reinstall Instagram. If nothing works, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram. Uninstall the app from your phone. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and reinstall Instagram. This can reset any corrupt settings or files that are preventing disappearing messages from working correctly. Final tips. Make sure you're using a creator or personal account. Some professional accounts may behave differently. Also, ensure two-factor authentication is enabled to avoid security-related feature blocks. And that's it! Now you know how to fix disappearing messages on Instagram, formerly Vanish mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Instagram fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.